Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So, today I'm going to make a rum old fashioned. I've made them before on another video, but I wanted to use this local rum. It's called Reef, right? It's tropical rum that is crafted with 2-year-old rum. It's like a sweet and smoky-ish rum, so I think it'll make it perfect rum old fashioned, right? Which is an alternative if you don't want to drink any bourbon, right? You're a rum person. This is an old fashioned inspired drink for you, right? So first, we're going to go 2 ounces of rum. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of an allspice dram, right? Next, we're going to go 1 bar spoon of Demerara syrup. All these ingredients are going to make this a nice, rich, flavorful old fashioned. Because you think about it, so that's a tropical rum, so which is very flavorful already. So next we're going to go with a couple dashes of Angostura bitters and a couple dashes of an orange bitter. Add a little bit of ice. Give it a good stir. Next, I want to strain it into my rocks glass, which I already got prepared with my orange slice and my rock. There you have it. This is a Reef Rum Old Fashioned. Cheers. This is what I thought. When I saw the flavors profile on this, banana, orange, coconut, and I knew it was kind of sweet and it has a little smokiness to it, like this is the perfect rum old fashioned made with Reef Rum of Jacksonville, Florida. Mm, that is good. If you're new, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more drinking recipes. Cheers.